Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, something crazy that happened, which I'm very certain 90% of traders or even spot buyers of crypto do not know about, and that is one of these tokens actually made it into top 100 cryptocurrency by market cap, and the one I'm talking about is Tether Gold. Now for the people who do not know what Tether Gold is, just like how USDT mirrors the USD valuation in crypto, Tether Gold pretty much mirrors the spot gold valuation, and you know that spot gold is climbing in value very quickly. Just in the last 1 month it's up about 9%, and that is very significant knowing how much of market cap gold actually holds. But why is this so significant for the entire crypto market? Well, if you just think about what Bitcoin is always compared to, even when it comes to ETF, how well the Bitcoin ETF is doing, what is it always compared to? Precious metal. And which one's the most specific one? Well, it's gold. So right now it's very clear to see that as tensions between China and US is increasing, the precious metal is something that people are going towards. But why is crypto struggling? That's something we need to talk about. But before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news relating to crypto, and especially Dogecoin. While you're there, slap a like on the video to help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now first of all, I just want to show you guys something interesting. Dogecoin price forecast. Doge whale transaction fell by more than 70%. Bearish move ahead. Right now a lot of people are saying how the trade is lower than 24 cents after falling more than 7% previously. The technical outlook suggests a further correction as RSI and MACD indicators signal a bearish diversion. Now what's really important for you to understand, I understand where they're coming from, and the way Dogecoin price is moving, it does not show any sort of strength in terms of trying to make a recovery. But at the same time, if you look at the overall crypto market, the only two tokens which have done decently well in the last 72 hours is Solana and BNB. And the reason for that is because the amount of new meme coins actually coming on their chain. Therefore, the inflow of cash is a lot greater. Now you can see that meme coins are becoming much bigger, but what does that mean for Dogecoin? Well, Dogecoin is the largest meme coin in the entire world. Right now, as the market is struggling to hold on to certain price action, well, let me tell you one thing, Dogecoin is going to be struggling, but once the momentum starts building again, the first one that will be receiving majority of the inflow to start off the next leg of the bull market is obviously going to be Dogecoin. I mean, the open interest is also down quite a significant amount, now sitting at 1.2 billion. It is up from yesterday, but overall it's actually down quite a significant amount. Long to the short ratio, 75% to 24%. Now there's one thing that I actually noticed in the comment section of my video, and I kind of agree with it. Right now a lot of whales which are deciding to just hold their money and not throw it into anything are expecting the 75% to have a little bit of a change. Once 75% actually comes down and people are slowly starting to lose interest, that's going to be the time when the spike will return. Now that was something I read in the comment section, a lot of you guys discussing about it, and I personally do see where they're coming from. But at the same time, if there's just too much money inflowing and there's too many people holding for the long, obviously the market has to shift towards the long position. Now President Trump orders the US Treasury to stop producing new pennies. Far too long US has minted pennies which literally cost us more than 2 cents to produce, which is only valued at 1 cent. And it's interesting take. And Bitcoin miner activity is shifting, a new trend that has historically been an extremely volatile price movement. It could be in either direction, but definitely the market is about to become volatile, especially for the long-term traders. I do want to say you guys are going to be in for a treat very soon, especially before Valentine's Day. That's all I'm going to say. And a surge to 245 for Solana could trigger a major shift in the market positioning, with the billions in short terms to stake. If the billions get washed away, there will be a lot more upside potential for Solana and just the entire market to make a recovery. Now, publicly traded Meta Planet to acquire 21,000 Bitcoin worth of $2 billion by 2026. So you can see that more money is going to be flowing in, and as more tensions are going to be building in, yes, there will be a little bit of uncertainty because crypto is more volatile, but as gold price is showing such good strength, there will be more that will be happening in the future. That's all I'm going to say with crypto. And Trump 100% disagrees with the federal judge's crazy ruling blocking Doge from Treasury system. Now, this is one thing that I've been trying to cover with you, but today, let's say Trump said it really interestingly. 19 states attorneys general filed a lawsuit, and early Saturday a judge agreed with them to restrict Elon Musk and his government efficiency team Doge from accessing the Treasury Department payment and data systems. They said there was a risk of irreplaceable harm. What do you make of that? And does that slow down what you have to do? No, I disagree with it 100%. I think it's crazy and we should solve efficiently problem. We have to solve the fraud, waste, abuse, all things that have gone into the government. You take a look at the US aid, the kind of fraud in there. I mean, Trump is still on side of Elon, which is crazy to say, but at the same time, I do agree with this slightly. By the way, I'm not American, so obviously I'm not going to have such a stronger opinion about it, but this is just my opinion. The way everything is going, I do see the other side of the story as well, how Elon can definitely use this for his personal gains, and that's just my take. The largest Brazilian stock exchange to expand Solana and Ethereum investment options. As more and more bigger countries are getting involved with crypto, obviously the amount of money that will come in will also be tremendous. And US versus China tariff tussle, crypto's dip or hedge shift. Well, you guys know China is about to impose those 15% tariffs on US. So China has imposed a significant 15% tariff on US exports worth 14 billion. China's move is a retaliation to Trump's 10% tariff on Chinese goods, and the crypto market could benefit or face adverse effect of this ongoing trade war. Because the way you can see this is, if there's a lot of uncertainty and people are going to be scared, they're going to put money into a little bit of a safer option. And right now in a public eye, crypto is not shown as a safer option. More like precious metal is something people like to tend towards. And University of Austin bets on Bitcoin with 5 million long-term investment fund. That's a lot of money from pretty much a university thrown into Bitcoin to make more profit. And strategy Michael Saylor posts Bitcoin chart after 1 week break. So after taking this break, he's definitely hinting to something big coming out for crypto very soon from his side. And Central Bank of Brazil links stablecoin growth to tax evasion and money laundering. Honestly, I cannot deny this because the amount of things that can happen without having to worry about borders and things like that with crypto, I do understand the invasion and stuff like that, but in general, we are definitely just getting started. We got a long way to go. I hope you guys are excited. Thank you for watching. This is all not financial advice, just my opinion, and take your own risk, and I'll see you soon.